Hello and good afternoon. I finally figured out something because I just, again, I'm watching a lot of Godzilla movies, and apparently I saw King of the Monsters again. And there's a point where Rodan comes and bows to Godzilla. You can actually see a tiny smirk towards Godzilla because he knows that Godzilla knows that he killed his love, his Mothra, in this. And King Kong versus, or Godzilla versus King Kong here, reverse, he killed Rodan. It said defeated. Not when you say now defeat, that's killing someone. Because he's wanting to make sure that no alpha is above him. The only alpha that's left on the planet is King Kong. There's no other person up here to challenge Godzilla except for Kong. And I was wrong about that. Really wrong. And I'm going to be apologizing for something else. And I found this out too. In Godzilla vs. King Ghidorah 1991 or 1990, I'm trying to figure out what year it is because everybody's mixing up the year. When they go up to Lagos Island in 1944 and pick him up and transfer him over to the future, they set him next to nuclear waste. They didn't know what they were putting him in. They just sat him there. They didn't care where. But they knew on the ship when they shipped him, because all three looked at each other, yeah, we know it was that. When they left the three Dorads on the island, if they didn't do that, and he was still on Lagos Island, and he got killed for protecting the Japanese garrison, it would take 9 years for him to be Godzilla. From 1944 to 1954, he will be Godzilla. That's how long it took, and he was almost a carcass when he became Godzilla. Dead at the door now because the Americans were shooting at him. That doesn't make any sense, though. For 9 years, for him sitting on an island and waiting for an atomic blast from the Americans out there in the ocean to do testing, and he gets bombarded by nuclear, and he comes back to life, a mutated monster with atomic energy? That doesn't make any sense whatsoever. There it is. Talk to you guys later. Bye.